You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce how this medication, the name of this medication, usually sold under the brand name Benadryl. If you want to learn more vocabulary from medicine, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you at the end of this one. Diphenhydramine is generally how it is pronounced, so let's break it down. So it's diphen, not diphen. Diphen, and it's not hydra, it's hydra again. And then mean, it's not mine. So it's not diphenhydramine, but rather diphenhydramine. Let's listen carefully again and remember. Repeat it a few times with me. Diphenhydramine, diphenhydramine. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.